AI video generators are evolving at an incredible pace. Take a look at this video, it's not real. AI created it just from a few images. Can you believe it? Here's an AI-generated scene showing Salma Hayek giving Johnny Depp a light kiss on the cheek. In another clip, a beautiful woman plays with her cat. Here's Adriana Lima at the beach with Robert Downey Jr., also created from just a single image. The quality of these videos is impressive, isn't it? Each of these clips was made using only text prompts with a powerful new AI tool called Pollo AI, turning your ideas into videos with just a few clicks, no camera, no crew, just pure creativity. In this video, I'll show you the latest breakthrough in AI video generation, where text and images come alive in seconds. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just love exploring AI, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Today, I'll show you how to access the best AI video generator, Pollo AI, and create impressive videos with ease. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Best Text-to-Video AI tool Pollo AI. Once you see the search results, click on the first link to reach the new AI video generator Pollo AI homepage. On this page, select the Try Pollo AI button to begin using the video generator platform. Before we dive into creating videos, you'll need to set up an account. Simply click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your account. Great, now that our account is set up, let's explore the main options available on the left side of the page. You'll see 4 options: image to video. This turns any still image into a video. Text to video. This generates videos from text prompts. Your creation here, you can view the videos you've made. The last option provides templates you can use. Let's start with the text to video feature. After selecting it, enter your text prompt in the provided box. If you're new to writing prompts, there's a helpful Generate with AI feature. You just need to type in your basic idea and the AI will generate detailed prompts for you. Simply pick one from the options. For this demo, I'll start with a simple prompt: a beautiful woman walking on a New York street, realistic. Once you've entered your prompt, it's time to set the mode. Text-to-video AI generator Pollo AI offers 2 modes, standard and professional. The professional mode takes a bit longer but delivers higher quality videos. Next, choose the aspect ratio for your video. You can select landscape, portrait, or square formats based on your preference. Then, adjust the prompt strength using the slider. Moving it to the right will make the video follow your prompt closely, while moving it to the left allows for more creative flexibility. Now, set the video length. Pollo AI offers options for 5-second or 10-second clips. You can also control camera effects, choose from horizontal, vertical, zoom, pan, or rolling effects to add dynamic motion to your video. Another useful feature is the negative prompts section. Here, you can specify elements you don't want in your video. To get a list of effective negative prompts, I'll ask ChatGPT for a concise set of suggestions. I'll request just 10 negative prompts in a single paragraph, then copy and paste them into the negative prompt section. Once everything is set, click the Create button. Generating the video may take a few moments, so let's skip ahead to the final result. And here it is, our video is ready. As you can see, it produced a realistic video, though the quality could be improved. For this demo, I generated a 5-second video in standard mode, which explains why the quality isn't as high and there's no face detail. Now let's try generating a video in professional mode. This time, I'll change the prompt to a futuristic city skyline at dusk with neon lights glowing on skyscrapers, flying cars passing by, and holograms projected in the sky. In a cyberpunk style, I'll also select professional mode and reuse the same negative prompts before hitting generate. After a short wait, our new video is ready. Let's take a look. This time, the difference in quality is clear. Pollo AI delivered an impressive result with enhanced details in this 5-second clip. For high-quality results, I recommend using professional mode. Now, let's take it a step further with a more complex prompt. This time, I'll set the mode to professional and extend the video length to 10 seconds. Since this will take a bit longer to generate, let's fast forward. And here it is, the video is ready. It's a decent result, and I'm impressed with the overall look. Though there are a few areas for improvement, the movement could be smoother, the character isn't entirely realistic, and the resolution isn't fully HD. Still, it has a cinematic quality with intense lighting and composition. The scene holds a 10-second duration and maintains consistency in both character and scene details, closely resembling a real shot. So far, I've been generating realistic videos, but let's switch it up with an anime-style video. For this, I'll use a prompt inspired by Studio Ghibli. Here's the prompt: a close-up of a friendly polar bear character wearing a warm blue scarf, with soft, expressive eyes looking out over a snowy cityscape at night. The bear stands near glowing streetlights as snow gently falls around, creating a peaceful, magical atmosphere. The city is lit with soft, warm lights against the cool, snowy background, all in a Ghibli-style animation that enhances the charm and serenity of the scene. After entering this prompt, I'll set the remaining options and click Create. Here's the result. It looks like a beautiful anime scene. The quality is good, though not the highest, likely because we use standard mode for this video. Here's another result using a new prompt, a charming red fox character wearing a green cap with the inscription Foxscape walking through a misty forest at dawn. The fox is shown close up with a thoughtful expression as it peers into the mist, surrounded by softly glowing fireflies. The warm, magical atmosphere is enhanced by soft morning light filtering through the trees, all in a Ghibli-inspired animation style with rich, whimsical details. That wraps up our image to video maker Pollo AI exploration of the text-to-video feature. Now let's try the image to video AI feature. After navigating to the image to video page, click here to upload an image. I'll upload an image now. Once uploaded, you'll have the option to add an end frame by enabling this feature. This lets you add an image to display at the end of your video, though I'll skip it for this demonstration. Next, you can add a text prompt in the box provided, though this is optional. For now, I'll generate a video without adding any prompt. Simply set the mode, length, and any negative prompts you want, then hit the Create button. Here's the resulting video generated from our image. While it's a decent result, there are some minor issues. To improve the outcome, I'll add a prompt describing the characters hugging each other, and this time I'll use professional mode for higher quality. Alright, let's hit the Create button. Here's the resulting video, and honestly, this is the best result we've seen from Pollo AI so far. I'm really impressed by the quality, it's amazing. Here are a few other videos for you to check out as well. Now, let's wrap up with some final thoughts. Pollo AI generates solid videos, but there are a few key limitations that might impact its appeal compared to competitors. First, Pollo AI doesn't offer any free credits. To use the tool, you'll need to purchase a subscription, which can be costly. Currently, it costs $15 for 300 credits, and $30 for 800 credits, and $90 for 3,000 credits. Another concern was the prompt character limit, which previously restricted prompts to just 200 characters. Thankfully, this has been increased to 2,000 characters, allowing for much richer and more complex prompts. However, there's still room for improvement in video quality. One notable observation across all the examples: Pollo AI doesn't generate faces. This might be intentional, but it does limit creative possibilities. That concludes our video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Pollo AI video generator. Share your experiences and results in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. If you want to watch Flux Polid, the best way to use it free, AI image generator tutorial, click on the left. If you're interested in Hyper AI 2.0 tutorial and best AI video generator, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.